Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to renew your driver's license in the state of Pennsylvania online. Okay, so we'll find ourselves right over here on this page. It's pa.gov. This is the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. And what you want to do is just tap on services on the top of this menu. And here you'll see find services. If you cannot find it in this list, you can go and search for it. But you will see right over here, it says renew a driver's license. That's exactly what we're looking for. The next page over here will bring us straight into the renew a driver's license. They give you a bit of a breakdown here, and then they also give you additional information on this page. So if you need to know anything that you would like to know with regards to renewing a driver's license, you can go ahead and you can just go and open it up over there. What you'll do now is click on renew your driver's license, and then you'll be asked to enter some credentials, including license number and some other personal information, and then you can apply for your license renewal. Make sure, again, as I said, read through the information so that you know what you need to apply, and you can go ahead through the process.